We want to give a huge shout out to Eric Worre.
Holy cow.
We have been in this business for 10 years, and this last year we've gone through.
We've grown so much.
Oh my gosh. He's had this program that's called GoPro. It's Go Professional in Network Marketing. And all
Be the professional.
Yes, the scripts that you are going to get from us and the process and all these different things. They're frameworks that we've gotten from him that are just phenomenal, that has just boosted our business to the next level.
And something really cool as well is he actually does an annual, not a convention, but an annual event that he does every single year in December, and it is awesome. We actually signed up for his accelerator, his like advanced program, and we literally would not be where we are today without him. So we just want to give you a special shout out to him and really promote him. And you guys, we suggest you to go check out his information because he's just like such good information about network marketing and recruiting, and we're excited for you to get into this program with these concepts.
Where we get nothing out of this. Yeah, like we just want you to know how amazing we think he is. That he's changed our business, that we wouldn't be here.
You know, we have learned that coaches are really important in your business to get a business coach. Well, many of us can't afford the coach, but this is our coach. The book has become our couch. He's our couch, our coach. The book has been our coach, and it has taught us lots.
Yeah.
And how many times have you listened to the book? And you've read the book?
I have the book on audio, and I've read it several times.
That's really cool.
Or listened to it.
So we've applied to some of those concepts, and then we've kind of updated, even through his conferences, we've updated with like some of the new concepts with like social media and the new tools that are out today. But another shout out we want to give out, but a really cool concept is John Maxwell as well. We'll be getting into John Maxwell in our next program as well. Yeah. But just like something big that we want you to always remember during this as well is this idea of just valuing people. He said these three big things that he always did to make sure you remember, especially when you're cultivating relationships with this program, is 1, value people. 2 is believe people, and unconditionally love people. Okay, so always remember that in your heart. Don't be pushy. Just it's about them, not about you. Okay.
And you're gonna jump leaps and bounds if you are more focused on somebody else and by serving others than on yourself.
Totally.
That's right. Always be willing to learn something new. And holy cow, we've been here for over 10 years, and this has really blown our minds and really helped us change. So we're here with this system to help you. But briefly, I want to tell you about the Love Life bracelet. Many of you have heard about, show me all yours, Britt. Brittany wears them stacked. I wear a Love Life bracelet every single day. A few years ago, we were at the top of our game and just cruising along, and I just hit, what did I hit? Maybe an A-lister or A-lister? We were just going crazy. And then I was diagnosed with cancer, multiple myeloma bone cancer. And in an instant, your life can change. And it doesn't matter if it's cancer, it doesn't matter if it's, I don't know, COVID, doesn't matter if it's divorce, money, whatever it is. Everybody has a cancer in their life. Everybody has something that just tears them down, that doesn't.
Trials, heartache.
Yes. And I learned, they gave me 3 to 5 years to live. And I was ready to give up. I was done. But then I decided, if I'm only gonna live just another little year, another couple of weeks, I'm gonna love my life. I want to love my life for just that minute. And that was 8 years ago. I shouldn't even be here. But I learned to love my life. I wear this every single day. And sometimes, you know, like that gratitude rock that you have in your pocket that you, when you touch, you think, oh, I'm grateful for. I touch this every day. And I remember to love my life because tomorrow I could be gone. You never know. Brittany, tell them about your twins.
I had twins that almost died. They were in the hospital. They were 25 weeks.
It's just 3.5 weeks or 3.5 months early.
3.5 months early. And that's where it's hard, is you are just going along and things happen and it's okay. But that's why we've brought it into our model, why you're going to hear that over and over and over from us, to love your life. Because it doesn't matter what you're going through. You can hate that situation. You can hate where you're in, but you need to remember to love your life, and you can get through anything.
Yeah.
No matter what you're doing.
A great concept always that we wanted you to make sure you really understand about us. We do these trainings for you. We want to serve you, and the money is great. We want you to be financially successful, but really the important part is for you to remember to love your life. honestly, like legit, that's what's important about life, okay? So we want you to remember that, and that's why we're going to end these trainings with always love your life. Love your life, because we want that to
love your life.
Sink into your heart, okay?
So
we love you.
Like we're going to start saying, remember,
love your life.
Love your life.
You should have fun.